AFCON 2025 final, the battle for continental supremacy. It is Morocco, the host, versus Senegal. Date it is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. Venue is Prince Moulay Abdallah Stadium, Rabat in Morocco. Kickoff time it is 8 o'clock local time, the 9 o'clock for South African Standard Time. The stakes, what is that is the stakes? The stake here. Africa's two highest ranked nations collide for the ultimate prize. Morocco is chasing its first title since 1976 on home soil, while Senegal aims to reclaim the throne they lost in 2023 and secure their second ever star. The path to the final, the journey to Rabat, right? Look at Morocco, the group stage. They finished first in their group, okay? Senegal, the likes of Taranga, they also finished first in their group. In the round of 16, Morocco defeated Tanzania by a goal to 0, with Senegal defeating Sudan by 3 goals to 1. The quarterfinals, Morocco defeated Cameroon by 2 goals to 0. Senegal defeated Mali by a goal to 0. Then the semifinals, Morocco defeated Nigeria on penalties by 4-2, with Senegal defeating Egypt by a goal to 0 in the semifinals. Morocco has been the defensive benchmark, conceding only 1 goal in the entire tournament, a penalty against Mali. Senegal has been the model of consistency, reaching their third final in the last 4 editions, powered by a clinical attack and the tournament's most dominant possession game, 63% average. Key players to watch. For Morocco, it is Brahim Diaz, who is a forward, the tournament's top goal scorer with 5 goals. His movement in the final third has been the primary reason Morocco survived tough low blocks. Another player, key player for Morocco, is Achraf Hakimi, their captain. He's a fullback. The 2025 African Footballer of the Year, he is the tactical engine of the team, providing width and elite delivery for Morocco. Senegal, the key player is Sadio Mane, the forward. The veteran talisman, he scored the winning goal in the semi-final against Egypt and remains the emotional and tactical heartbeat of the Lions. Another key player for Senegal is Nicolas Jackson, the striker. His physicality and ability to drift wide will be the ultimate test for Morocco's disciplined centre-back pairing. The team news and tactical outlook. The weight Morocco for the weight of a nation. The hero goalkeeper Yassine Bonu enters the final in god-tier form, after saving 2 penalties in the semi-final shootout against Nigeria. The tactics. Walid Regragui has mastered the balance between flair and function. Expect Morocco to start with high intensity fueled by 70,000 fans, but they are equally comfortable dropping into mid-block to frustrate Senegal's creative midfielders like Papa Gueye. Senegal, the pedigree of champions, the masterclass. Under Pape Thiaw, Senegal has become a possession monster. They take more shots, 93, than any other team in the tournament. Tactics, Senegal will look to overload the left flank where Sadio Mane and Malik Diop link up. Their primary challenge will be finding a way through the Great Wall of Rabat, a Moroccan defense that hasn't conceded from open play in over 500 minutes of football. The head-to-head in historic first. Remarkably, this is the first ever meeting between Morocco and Senegal in an AFCON final. Recent form, both teams are on an incredible run. Morocco is unbeaten in 23 matches, while Senegal has not lost a competitive fixture in 27 games. The last meeting, a 1-1 draw in a friendly back in August 2025. Focus and prediction. The home advantage factor. Morocco is playing in a shiny new stadium built specifically for this tournament. The psychological pressure is immense, but they have shown the maturity to handle it, especially during the 120-minute grind against Nigeria. The match pattern. Senegal will likely have more of the ball, but Morocco's transition speed with Brahim Diaz and Abde Ezazuli is the most dangerous in Africa. It will be a game of fine margins, likely decided by a moment of individual brilliance or a set piece. My own predictions, I'm predicting a 1-0 win for Senegal. What are your predictions, guys? Go to the comment section and give me your predictions. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tibos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football.